Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota. Today we're going to look at this 1969 Ford Mach 1 Mustang. Again, it is original factory specs behind with Marti Report, but it does have some modern upgrades as well, which we will get into shortly. But before we get too deep into this Mach 1, I want to tell you a little bit about Classic Cars of Sarasota. We are located in Sarasota, Florida, on 301, just north of University, on the corner of Televast and 301. We keep about 100 cars in inventory. About 80% of those cars are domestic, classic cars, and the other 20% are European, exotic, and or luxury vehicles. If you're not in Florida and you are interested in this Mach 1 or anything you do see on our website, please don't hesitate to still give us a call, as we do ship worldwide, door to door. Last year in 2024, we shipped to over 19 US states and over 7 countries worldwide, so we can certainly ship this vehicle to anywhere you may be. If you have financing needs, we do have classic car finance partners that can ship this or finance this classic car or any of our other classic cars that we have for you. Please visit the website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. You'll see our finance tab on there. You can fill out a finance application there, or if you want to see additional pictures of the vehicle or anything else you might have seen on the video that you have more interest on, they will be on the website. Or you can give us a call if you have questions, 941-355-1955. I know it is a little dark in here, and I'm going too fast for the camera. Please visit the website for additional pictures. We do have the vehicle outside in the sunlight for better pictures. We also do have it up on the lift so you can see the bottom. As I mentioned, this does come with a Marti Report. It is a true 351 Mach 1, 1969. It was built on October 4th of 1968. But again, as I mentioned, you do see some modern upgrades. It's got Foose custom wheels. You go see aluminum radiator, DeWitt, MSD ignition, some serpentine belt in there. It does have AC. Holobrock intake. Again, rack and pinion steering from control. Just a beautiful car. The paint is in excellent condition. Interior is in great condition as well. And again, it is a little bit dark to see. Please visit the website just to show you that it's a cold start here. Everything is cold. Let me get inside, grab the keys, let you hear this 69 Mach 1. It is an automatic. It does have a updated Kenwood Bluetooth radio and updated gauges, as you can see there. Get the right key, that would help. engine runs very well. Take it back, let you hear the exhaust. Excellent condition. Ramp it up just a little bit here. You got an excellent running vehicle. True Mach 1, 1969, in excellent condition. If you have any questions, please give us a call, 941-355-1955, or visit our website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. Thank you.